back to my channel. Today I have a very special video. I do have a video that is an unboxing, which is very exciting. I've never done it on my channel. The box came in. It says Brittany from Bailey. It says to Brittany from Bailey, and it's in a big old box. So I'm gonna open it and see what's inside. So this is a PR box I got from the Brat. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna put out of here, is she got me a whole bunch of cosmetic stuff, which is amazing. Okay, so I have a contour brush, which I need a new contour brush. Super cute and fluffy. I've had this brush before. I really love it. I have a super cute eyelash curler. Okay, first of all, because my eyelashes are kind of... Oh, shout out to her because I'm wearing her eyelashes right now too, by the way. Packaging for her eyelashes I'm wearing right now. You really can't see it. I'm trying to focus it. Hold on, let me try to focus it. It has her face on it, which is so cute. And it says, "Be by the Brat," period. I can curl her lashes because I only wear her lashes. So now I can curl her lashes. She got me some matte lipstick, which I need to get back into. I haven't really worn lipstick since like 2017. Is there a... Hold on. Okay, that's better. So I really haven't worn matte lipstick in a lipstick period in a very long time. So I'm super excited about that. I really want to swatch it. So I'm going to swatch it for you guys. So I kind of already have have makeup on my hand. Super cute ruby color. Focus. There you go. And that is in the color, if I didn't rip it off, ruby. So that was that. Some custom lip gloss, super cute. Let me do that one for you. There it goes, custom lip gloss. Excuse my nails. Let me put this on right now. Oh, okay. Super shiny, glittery. The consistency is perfect. I love it. Okay, so that is another one. Chunk glitter. Who doesn't love the chunky glitter? It's so pretty. Matter of fact, I can do a swatch on that for y'all too. Oh, and the packaging's super cute, just like on the lashes. Let's hold up for it. Ooh, this is so pretty. This is so beautiful. And it has like the holographic iridescent look. You can see how pretty it is anyways, even though it's not focused. Super cute. Love it, love it, love it, love it. So that's all for this bag. And they come in super cute gift bags too. Okay, and now I'm going to reach down in here and grab these. Need this makeup wipes. Actually, okay, so let me tell you. Went to the store the other day. Oh, there's super cute tints and stuff in here. Went to the store the other day, and I tried to call myself on some makeup wipes, but they're hand wipes. So I really need this. Thank you, girl, for this. These the goats. Let's see. I have no idea what this is. But it comes in a package like this. Unravel it. My whole back setup isn't on that right now, so this is what I've been waiting for. I'm definitely gonna do a review on this. I'm gonna do a review on this. I don't know if it's gonna be in this video, but this is just an unboxing video. I'm gonna do a review on this one on a separate video. It says the Brat, Be by the Brat makeup collection, cosmetics and lashes. This is makeup cleaner, a makeup brush cleaner. I'm gonna do a review on this next section, and this is not the final product. I'm gonna say this for last. These are some more lashes. I already have lashes on. Let's go. Okay. So I suck at opening things clearly. I'm not the best person for unboxing videos, so bear with me. There we go, there we go. Super cute, super cute, super cute. Those one for you so you guys can see how cute they are. There we go. And you can see the logo and the pink sparkles, which is super cute. Oh, and then yeah, y'all can see up close now. I want her lashes. I'm loving this lip gloss. It looks so much better than before I started. So, last but not least is we have a super cute. First of all, tell you my obsession with cups. If you go inside my pantry, there's a whole top shelf of unopened cups. My mom gets a lot of cups for, you know, from her students. I buy cups just because I love cups. They're so cute. You can put anything in there, and then it has all this glitter and sparkles, and it comes with a reusable straw. Save the earth. That's why we use plastic cups, because bro, this is so tight. This is tight. That was all this glittery. Look how cute this cup is. This is why I say this for last, because I didn't even know what it was in the plastic, and I wanted to save it for last. This is cute as fuck. I'm excited. So this is my PR package from the Brat brand. One-stop shop for this, y'all. Let me tell y'all about this girl who sent me this. Love her dearly. Let me tell y'all, she makes all my logos for everything I do, everything I plan to do in the future. She already made my logo for it. I haven't even told people what I'm doing, but she already made my logo. She sells lashes, she does makeup. She makes a makeup brush cleaner, remover, cleaner, whatever. The whole nine. She sells, if you can sell it, if you can buy it, she sells it, okay? So I'm gonna make sure I link her down below. Y'all look her up. Y'all tap in, shop. I'm so truly grateful for her sending me this PR package with all this fun, good, exciting stuff in it. Make sure y'all check her out. She is the GOAT when it comes to everything and anything. Just get into this lip gloss. My hair's drying up a little bit. I am loving this lip gloss. It's so cute. I can zoom in on that. I'm loving this lip gloss, y'all. You don't understand. I don't even want to zoom out. Just do it. Okay. Yeah, I'm so in love with this lip gloss. So, yeah, y'all need to tap in with sis. She got all the goods. Anything you need. Oh, I forgot one of the biggest things that she does that first thing I peeped she did ever. Before I even knew she did makeup or anything, she makes t-shirts. My mom's birthday came around in June, and I wanted somebody to customize my mama's shirt. Hit her up, made my mom's shirt, dropped it off, super quick, easy. Super quick and easy. Like, she made it so fast. Y'all, my mom loved it. Everybody wanted one. Super cute mom shirt. It's like a mom shirt or whatever. It's super cute. So, the lashes. Everybody wants to know where I get my lashes from. I get them from Lashes by Brat. Or actually beat by the Brat Lashes Cosmetics. So I'll tag all her websites down below. I'll also wear her logos. Her turnaround time is crazy. After making me a logo, I literally got it back 2 minutes. 2 minutes. My hair is just, it's like in the funny stage right now. Like, it's kind of half dry, half wet, and it's just not working for me. But yeah, so like I said, thank you so much for my package. You are the bestest, girl. Y'all tap in. I'm gonna link all her stuff below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Let's get this. I have lipstick all over me now, but even though I have lipstick all over me, my PR package came with makeup remover wipes. So boom, there you go. Yeah, let's get my subscriber count up. Let's get this up. If y'all get my subscriber count up, I'll get my content stuff up, and it's a win-win. You know, win-win. Yeah, I did say I was gonna give a giveaway if I got 600 subscribers, so I do owe that. I do owe that. I would definitely be thinking of something. Well, let's bump it up to 1,000. I mean, y'all was so consistent, and I mean, I wasn't consistent, so maybe I'll do a small giveaway, and then when I get to 1,000, do a bigger money cash giveaway, or like a gift card giveaway or something like that. So like I said, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for